I'm gonna show you how to make a Nerf gun shooting range. You just need basic home stuff that you can get from Walmart. You need a tape, a scissors or a ruler, a marker pen or pencil, whatever you guys got, and also a piece of paper. I'm just gonna use a reused paper here. Firstly, you want to fold the paper into half horizontally, and then you want to fold the paper 3 more times vertically. And then you want to unfold the paper, and the paper should look like this, where you can draw something on the paper. You can draw anything you want, such as shapes, bullseye. If you're lazy to draw, you can just print some pictures and then stick them on these papers using a glue or a tape. Once you're done, you want to take your ruler or scissors. You can cut these pictures into nice boxes, just like what I'm doing here. And basically, those are the preps that you need to prepare. Next, you'll need to have a Nerf gun of any sort. I'm having a Nerf Rival Roundhouse XX1500 here, which I think is pretty solid. It has a velocity of 83 FPS or feet per second. You can put up to 15 ammunition or the Nerf/Rival balls, and it's pretty accurate. Also, I would advise you guys to look up for other creators that are reviewing these Nerf guns, which are the best and suitable for you guys before purchasing. I'm going to show you how to aim with this thing later on in this video using a Nerf gun. As for the location of the shooting range, this will be up to you guys. You can use walls, curtains like I'm using right here, curtains in one of my room. I prefer to use a soft surface. This way the Nerf balls of the ammunition won't bounce off too far and hit other objects unintentionally. Also, if you guys are using your mom's or dad's curtain, be sure to ask your parents' permission first, whether you can stick tapes on them, just in case they're using special material that you're not supposed to stick anything on. Other than that, you should be good to go. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to aim using this Nerf gun. All you have to do is just line up your eye on a straight line with 3 things: the rear sight, the red front sight, as well as the target or the object that you're shooting, in this case one of the paper images that you've cut and drawn earlier. Just practice this over and over again, preferably if you close one eye and then keep aiming, keep your eye lined up with the rear sight, front sight, and also the target. And then all you have to do is just pull the trigger and it should hit somewhere near the target. And all you have to do is just adjust and also practice. For example, if you have to aim to the left a little bit, or to the right, or to the top, or the bottom a little bit, just to hit your target. Here are some shots that I made. As you guys can see, it will always hit the paper target or close to it. I'll be showing you guys the shot in slow motion as well, so you guys can see. Another good thing about soft surface, as you guys can see, all the ammunitions on the Nerf balls right on the floor on the carpet, so I can easily pick them up. If you're shooting a wall or a harder surface, the balls might just bounce off and you might lose them. So that's it from me in this video. If you guys find it useful, be sure to hit that subscribe button, so drop a like. I'll see you guys next time.